might have to let it drop. Let it drop. Let it drop. Let it drop. Let it drop.
For joining us today for this special occasion. So we are gathered here today to formally execute and witness the signing of an important agreement between Motocentrum Philippines, Corsa Motorcycle Tires, and sa inyo guys, so sa lahat ng ambassadors.
So with Corsa, talagang confident tayo na kung kahit i-promote mo yan, i-promote, hindi ka mapapahiya. So yun yung maganda kay Corsa.
The brand is trusting us kasi bawat brands, no, pangalan nila yung dinadala natin yan, no, mapagulong, mapalangis. And of course, thank you again, Corsa Motorcycle Tires, for another year. And sana, no, sa ating mga Corsa ambassadors, we have a more cohesive bonding, no, a more cohesive contents together.
Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung product natin sa Corsa kasi especially pag nag-rides kami. Kaya masaya mag-work sa isang product na, sa isang brand na gusto mo yung ginagamit mo. Hindi dahil kinuha ka lang.
Natuwa ako dahil kahit na wala pa yung enduro tires ng Corsa, yung Corsa S yung na-maximize ko siya sa mga adventures at mga biyahe ko. So, I think dahil I believe, ang ganda nung sinabi ni Sir Brian, nakaka-inspire talaga. Kapag nag-work together talaga ang group of people, amazing things will happen.
Sometimes you wake up, sometimes you only have 30% to give. But if you give your 30%, you still gave it your all. Nangyari yung growth natin from last year to this year through the efforts of each one of you. So, wag mong isipin na maliit lang. Walang sangdaan, kulang ng piso. Yung pagtutulungan ninyo, pagtutulungan namin. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa binigay ninyong oras, sa attention na binigay ninyo, sa pagpapasensya. I hope magkasama pa rin tayo in 1 year, coming years. I expect na lalaki pa yung grupo natin.